The 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA steps into the spotlight with a renewed focus on safety, and it shows in every part of the Euro New Car Assessment Program results. When you look at a car like this, you expect refinement and technology, but what stands out is how Mercedes-Benz went beyond expectations to protect real people in real situations. That is where the story becomes more meaningful. During frontal impact testing, the passenger compartment stayed stable, which is always one of the biggest signs of strong engineering. Critical body areas for both the driver and passenger received high levels of protection. Even the knees and femurs, which are areas many cars struggle with, were protected regardless of the occupant's height or seating position. In the side impact evaluations, the CLA scored maximum points thanks to its ability to shield passengers during sudden, forceful hits. Only during the more severe side pole test did the chest move into the marginal category, but every other body area remained well protected. Rear impact testing also delivered reassuring results, reducing the risk of whiplash injuries for both front and rear occupants. The advanced emergency call system and the multi-collision braking system add another layer of reassurance for families, especially during stressful moments on the road. For younger passengers, the CLA performs with confidence. Crash test performance for 6-year and 10-year child dummies was strong, with solid results in both frontal and lateral tests. The vehicle automatically disables the front passenger airbag when a child seat is detected, and every approved child restraint type can be installed properly without issues. Pedestrian and cyclist protection sees similar strength. The active bonnet system lifts during an impact to create additional space and reduce injury. The autonomous emergency braking system reacts quickly to people walking, running, or approaching on bicycles, even in more complex scenarios like turning across traffic or reversing. Technology also plays a crucial role. The driver monitoring system looks for signs of fatigue or distraction, while the intelligent lane keeping system guides the car safely when the driver begins to drift. Speed assistance technology recognizes road signs and helps maintain safe driving behavior. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA shows how modern safety design can protect everyone, not just those inside the car.